Hi, I'm Karina Kensis, Regional Territory Manager.
And I'm Craig Harvey, Business Development Director for VS America.
Here we have the PantoMove-LuPo chair.
And I'm here with the PantoMove-LuPo Plus.
Both of these chairs are part of a family of chairs that are available in a variety of different options as well as specifications. You'll find for the entire family of chairs that are available in a poly shell, the same to be true is that they're all made with a double-blown poly shell as opposed to a single poly shell, which is thus more durable and less likely to break or have opportunity for failure. You'll also find the same holes at the top of the shell because it is hollow inside, which creates a cushion effect and a softer sit, and more importantly, a more durable shell because it's less likely to break. This chair is our swivel, height-adjustable mobile chair that's available in a variety of height ranges and comes in 4 different shell sizes. The PantoMove-LuPo chair has our patented 3D rocking mechanism, which essentially is a mechanism that truly allows the chair to follow whatever motion your body might need to take, whether that's leaning back, leaning forward, leaning to the side, whatever that may be, the chair will follow. It's best to sort of think of it as a ball and socket in that mechanism allows the seat pan to move in a 360. It also features our self-locking casters. So when weight or pressure is applied to the chair truly moves freely. But as soon as that weight or pressure is released, and if the chair were to be, let's say, pushed across a room, it would stop on its own. It also features our piggyback system, which is essentially a hook that is made of a rubber material that allows the chair to be removed up off the ground, suspended onto any surface.
Similar to the PantoMove-LuPo, the PantoMove-LuPo Plus features a larger height range. It also does feature the same patented 3D rocking mechanism, so it allows Karina to move freely in a circular motion. She can also lean back, lean forward. This does feature a locking caster, so when she applies weight, it will actually lock in place so she can do a perch. If for stability purposes, if she was to stand on it, it would hold her weight. It features a height adjustable foot ring that is activated by a push button. It will do 1 full revolution and it'll pop back out, adjust as needed. It does also feature the same piggyback suspension mechanism that the PantoMove-LuPo features.
Please visit our website for more information.